So what? I will bring back a cold, wet baby all I want. I'm in charge here. I put my foot down. Tap, tap, to-that, tap. She hung up on me, but whatever. I put my foot down. You heard that. Yeah, I did. Got you on camera. Hey, come on, come on. Abuse me now. Yeah, stop. I don't want the abuse. You look so little. You look so little. Boss block. Can I help you people? You guys need something? What's going on here?
No, I was coming to show you who's in charge.
He's in charge. I'm well aware of that. Not you, though. Hey, folks, we have a guest in the studio today. Please, Christine, come on over. Come on over. Come on. Come on. Come on down. All right. And we also got a boss Mick. Okay. All right. So, we're going to unbox this Let's Blend box. All right, Chris.
Can't find it.
Right. Oh, what? Oh, it's right here. Yeah. All right, so you gotta show the people the box. Up there too, you gotta let them see the box. Yeah, yeah, there you go. There you go, there you go, there you go. All right, so yeah. Yep, there you go. Okay. Yeah, yep.
That's pretty. That's very pretty.
We gotta like tell them what's inside of it too.
Alright. White rose face scrub. There's everything mango.
Okay.
I think it's a body butter.
Alright. Oh,
Alright, he's taking over this one.
Alright, buddy, what's up? You and me. That's the gas thing, Chris. Alright, yeah. Oh, we're in there.
The turmeric aloe.
Okay, so we're gonna test this out like later?
Yeah.
You do me and I do you?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, good. Okay. Alright, let's get hot in here. Jeez. Okay. Alright. Alright, buddy, put it down. Wow. Okay. Alright, Deb's totally unboxed. So as you can see, we got the white rose face scrub, the toner here. So adjust this real quick for you all. Bam. Okay, so we got the white rose face scrub. We got the turmeric aloe toner, and the everything mango. This is a butter. And a butter. It's a butter. So we're gonna use these. We're gonna cleanse ourselves. It's from Let's Blend. Ta-da! All right, let's see what this card better says. Okay. All right. Yeah, we'll pick this back up in a little bit. Toodles. Oh, toodles. Oh, hello there. I didn't even see you there. Look, check it out. Folks over at Gourmanade sent me this lemonade here. And this one is the Daily Driver. It's some coffee and some lemonade mixed. And my goodness, does it taste delicious. But you don't believe me. Listen to Christine. She's a much more credible source. And also Boss Mick. He's better than me too. They're all better than me. But Gourmanade, it's where the good stuff happens. I don't know if that's their catchphrase, but it should be now. Somebody get one of these lemonades. You want one? All right. There you go. Which one is this? No. Oh, yeah, I got it. Okay. I think you like this one. All right. Oh, you guys are feeding everybody? You feeding your mom, buddy? You're a good guy. Here you go. This one is like Baymanade. They sent 2, so I tried one. Oh, tried one already.
That's good.
Good?
That's really good, yeah.
How would you describe the flavor?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. Hey, boss, want to try a sip? Not your flavor, buddy? You want to try it again?
Can I have it then?
Alright.
It's my flavor.
Alright, Boss Mick does not approve of the strawberry lemonade, but Queen Chris loves it. And I think King Kai, he hasn't tried it, but he seems to be indifferent towards the flavor. Alright, back to snackage. Also, as I was reviewing this footage, I noticed my shirt looked weird in the back. So I just want you to see this shirt. I don't know, it just looked weird. I was slouching and I should have had better posture like this. That's it. So yeah.
Well, no, I meant take the lead and start the conversation. I don't remember what you said we were gonna do.
Oh, you wanted to tone.
I don't know how to apply to.
Oh yeah, take this. So you take like a little bit of that and you put it on there and you rub it in your face. But then you gotta talk to people about the scrub. What you thought about the scrub?
Okay, what you typically?
Oh, no, you gotta talk about the scrub first.
Oh, we already started?
Yeah, we started already. Yeah.
Okay, so can I have the scrub? Alright. So I tried the White Rose face scrub. I like it a lot. It doesn't feel like a traditional scrub. It has a something that's very moisturizing. It's not it doesn't feel as salty as traditional scrubs go, but I like it. When you open it up, you can see the fresh rose petals. So it's very pretty. It's very soft. It's very gentle and moisturizing. So I like it. It smells nice too.
Yes.
That's my thought on the scrub.
I also like the scrub. Piggybacking off what Christine said, it was very moisturizing. Looked at the ingredients. It was the mango butter and the shea butter, I believe. They had a very nice moisturization feel. I'm not sure what the salt in here was. It doesn't say on the ingredients what kind of salt it was, but I know there was some in there. And also the emulsifying wax gave like a nice soft kind of thing. So this was a very nice face scrub. I don't know how much, actually no. I was gonna say I don't know how much like dead skin was removed, but I will say the rose petals did a really good job since they were dry rose petals to buff the skin. So I think that felt very well. It felt very good. I liked it. It did smell very nice. But now if you're like really, really dirty, this wouldn't be a scrub for you. You would need something a little heavier. And if you got like a real like just dirty face, you know, like you like play rugby or some other mud related sport, like a tough mudder, this wouldn't be for you. This is something you use after like a nice, if you're pretty. So if you're like Chris, you can use this. If you're like me, I wouldn't recommend it. You need something a little heavier just because you got dirty face. Okay, dirty face. Sound good? Dirty, oh no, not dirty face, dirty face. Let's Blend White Rose Face Scrub for non-dirty faces. Okay, and then you got the toner.
Okay.
All right. So Christine's getting ready to use the toner. What is it, turmeric something?
Turmeric aloe toner.
Turmeric aloe toner. And I'm going to use the Everything Mango. She can't use this because it has sweet almond oil in it, but I'm going to give it a shot using my face. And I'm also using my beard into my hair because I just washed all that with some soap. But hold on real quick, smell this.
It smells nice.
Yeah, right?
I don't know what's in there. Is it pineapple or something? I don't know what I'm smelling, but I like it.
Let's see. It's a fragrance oil. So we are unsure of what that smell is, but it does have tea tree leaf oil in here. So I can give some of that kick, but it does have a very pineapple-y smell to it. You can tell they use some high quality hemp seed butter too, because it still has that green tint to it, which is also dope. So you can usually tell they use a nice quality hemp seed butter. Oh, it melts well too. Look at that.
Nice.
Alright, so you only need a little bit, it does go a long way. The oil in it, I'm gonna say, I believe it's the sweet almond oil and what's the other oil? The hemp seed oil. Oh, no, they use hemp seed butter, they use shea butter and hemp seed oil. So high quality hemp seed oil to give this green tint to it. But like I said, it goes a very long way. What do you think?
I like it. It's my first time using a toner.
Really? Ever?
Yeah, like a liquid toner like this.
Nice.
I've never used one.
Your skin's always been so beautiful. Nice.
But I do like it.
What do you like about it?
Honestly, it's hard to say because I've never used one before, so I don't think I have anything to compare it to. But it feels nice. Felt refreshing.
Nice. Ooh. All right, I like this. I want to say in the quantity I just used, it's a little heavy. So a little goes a long way. Using it as much as I did, it's definitely heavy. I can smell it all up on my face and my beard, my upper beard. But I like it. I like it a lot. Smooth, good texture, good feel. Ooh. Okay, I think that was a successful demonstration of the product. Anything else you want to say about it?
No.
No?
I enjoyed it.
Okay. Let's blend.
Everything mango. It's mango, not pineapple that we smell.
We're idiots. All right. We didn't read. It's mango, not pineapple. It's because we're American. We're not from the island, so we don't know our fruit that well. All right. See you. Okay, so essentially that was how we did the Let's Blend. We mixed it up, we blended it, we tried it, we loved it, we liked it. So if you're interested in giving it a shot, please, the link's below to their Instagram page. Take a look, check them out, and see what's up. Did I say it right? Is that all right? Okay. Yeah, so check out their Instagram page and all that good stuff, and then let us know what you think. All right, so if that's cool with you, it's cool with us. Thank you all so much for watching. And this shirt, super dope. Watch the unboxing right after this. Anything you want to say, buddy? Yeah, what you want to say? Duh. Is that your way of saying see you later? All right, see you. Give me a thumbs up, buddy. Thumbs up. Fist bump. Okay. So, got another fancy little package here. Get ready to open this thing up. Super excited. Let's see what's inside, shall we? All right. Here we go. Pull tab to open. That's obviously the easier way to do this. Huh. Interesting. What? Ooh. Ooh. Damn. Who is this from? Who is this? Come on, who is this? Who sent me this? Okay, this was sent by A-Gene Designs. Okay, this is dope. Alright, so this is T-shirt 005 fall. Boom, what is this? What is this? What is this? For this round of donations, we choose to go with the Equal Rights Initiative. Whatever. All right, cool. You all can read this. I don't I don't want to read anymore out loud, so I'm just going to sit this aside. Boom. Okay. This looks dope. Let's open this thing up. You all know I'm a sucker for art, and this seems artsy as hell. Bye-yang. 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 Damn, this looks dope. Oh my gosh. Artwork is fantastic. And whoever this muse was is a looker. Wowzers. A Gene. Thank you so much. This is gorgeous. Wow. Wow. I'm going to be sure to rock this in videos to come without a shadow, shout, whatever it is, of a doubt. Wow. Oh, here's a promo code too. If you all want another 10 for this Triple off any order up until September 30th. So, if you're watching this before September 30th, 2020, use this code to get one of these shirts. Because this thing is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Damn. Hell yeah. Dope. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.